Today I'm going to be unboxing, well, it's not an unbox, I'm not going to be unboxing it, but I'm going to be showing you guys my new Catless Downpipe. It's new to me, I bought it used, but yeah, it's Catless Downpipe. So I'm going to be showing you guys that. I plan on installing it soon. I don't know when exactly, but it should be soon because I want to flash this tune that I got months ago that I haven't been able to use yet because it's for the Catless Downpipe. So I got some errands to run, and then I'll get to the unboxing or the showing of the Catless Downpipe. So we just got to Walmart. I want to look for one of those buff and waxing like machines. I'm probably not going to buy it today, but I want to price it to see how much it is because I really need one. My car's paint is horrendous. When you have over 200,000 miles on your chassis, paint starts to fade because it's just been out in the sun. I don't garage my car, so it's been out in the sun for what, 2008, 10 years. So yeah, been out in the sun for 10 years. So hopefully I can restore this paint because it needs it. So I've been needing some Rain-X for a while, so I think I might cop a set of that. Should I get the 2-in-1 or the regular? Probably just get the 2-in-1. They seem to be the same price, so if I can clean my window and get water repellent, I'm gonna do that. They sell chemical guy products at Walmart? What? Alright, but this is what I'm looking for right here. I want the one with the handheld part. This just has the accident. Yeah, it's just like the tall one. I want the one with the little side handheld thing, but that's exactly what I want. I plan on going to like detailed garage later to get some stuff for buffing and clay barring and waxing and stuff. I really want to restore my paint on my car because it is horrendous. My headlights look so clear. What? Start waxing them more often, polishing them. When you get up close, then don't worry about how I look when I get up close. Don't worry about it. Alright guys, so I just got back to the house. I'm gonna spray some of this Rain-X on my window, let it sit, and then I'm gonna wipe it off. I think that's how it works. Fortunately, this is window cleaner too, which is what I need because my window is muy dirty. Alright guys, so we just got back to the house. My downpipe is in the garage. I'm gonna go grab it and show you guys what it is. So here is my Catless Downpipe. It's a full 3 inches all the way through. It comes off of the turbo, from the exhaust side of the turbo all the way down to my exhaust. My current exhaust setup is it's straight piped, but I still have a primary cat, so I cut out the secondary cat, the resonators, and the muffler. I did that so long ago, so I've been needing this for a while. I already have my tune for the Catless Downpipe, so it'll be a huge power gain relative to the price that I paid for. It should be like plus 50 or so horsepower. So my turbo will spool a little bit faster since there's no catalytic converter or anything. I'll be able to shoot some flames finally, and I'll just be able to push this car a little bit further than I already have been. So yeah, I've had the tune since probably like February or so. I just haven't had the downpipe, but I just got the downpipe a couple months ago. So once I get it installed, we'll be good to go. I can just flash the ECU and be done with it. Full Catless Downpipe, 3-inch downpipe. There's the Flux 5.2 hangers, and it has some O2 sensor holes. I have a plug for one of these holes, but I don't know which one it goes into. So I'll find that out whenever I install it. I'm hoping my car's a little bit louder and I get some more pops, because that's the main reason, not the main reason, but that's one of the big reasons why I wanted this. That and the turbo noise is at idle. I have a little bit now, but it's not as loud as it should be, so once I do that, if I put this in, it'll be a lot more loud. Hopefully this fixes my boost leak issues. I'm only getting a maximum sometimes of 14 pounds, and I'm supposed to be at 22 pounds. And I don't know where the leak's coming from. I already checked all the intercooler couplers and things like that. So my next guess is that it's my catalytic converter has gone bad, since it's the same exhaust I used when I blew my motor and had all that oil going through. So hopefully that's the problem, and once I put this on, that solves the problem, because I'm tired of having boost leak issues because I'm not as fast as I should be. But yeah, that is my Catless Downpipe. And that's gonna do it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and drop a fat thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next video.